Make every interaction more engaging. Here's how to turn on haptic feedback in Bluesky within a few taps. But first, make sure to save this video for your future reference. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Online Help Guide, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to enable haptic feedback on Bluesky app. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Start by tapping the Bluesky app icon on your screen. If you are already logged in, you will land on your main feed. In the top left corner of your profile page, you will see 3 horizontal lines. Tap it to open a list of options. From the menu, select Settings. This is where you can customize your app experience. Inside the Settings menu, scroll down until you find Accessibility and tap on it. Here you will discover features designed to make the app more user-friendly and enjoyable. Now locate the option labeled Haptic. This controls the vibration you feel during interactions. Want to try it? Toggle the switch next to Haptic to turn it on. Instantly you will feel a slight vibration whenever you interact within the different part of the app. So this is how to enable haptic feedback on Bluesky app. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.